Today we will take a look at how we use the new method to import the UE's mating into MA. And you can incrementally synchronize. First, we need to open a setting. In the global settings here, we need to turn on this remote control. We enable. Then it's OK. Then we have an empty show file. This is an empty show file. We don't need to prepare the lamp bank because it will bring a light library with it when importing. We can also create a new show file here. Then we can take a look at its session IP. Then connect it. Open this at net output. Then to UE. UE, we just need to make sure this one. All the lamps have been fully connected, and there is no conflict. We have all made it here. Then we import. We are here at DMX Tools. Find the connection session for MA. And then, this is MA2. Then we choose the same IP as the MA session. Then we click Connect. Then let's take a look at the MA side. It has been shown here that there is a user connects. Then we can import it directly. Import. Then we wait for the lower right corner. Just wait until it is imported. OK, the import is now complete. We can disconnect. Then close. Then to MA. Let's take a look. The mating is already available and here. The light bank has been designated. Then the light library, which has also been imported. We can directly control it. We choose the lamps. Then light up. There is no signal now. Let's take a look. The signal is already there. Let's see what it looks like. Right, we didn't choose. We chose this channel here. We chose this as a lamp. Then we can also use light sets, because when we import, it also automatically creates light groups. The strobe is on. Then this beam of light. Then the cutting light is already on. Then imported this one. Also with this stage view. Let's take a look. This is the stage view. We can also pass this camera map to do this layout. We choose a layout word. Then select Light Group 1. Then we save it here. Then this shouldn't be needed. We should choose Lamp Set 3. Because the Lamp Set 3 is the round cutting lamp. Yes. The problem with his name. Then we go to choose this camera projection. Give him a top view. That's it. But it's kind of crooked. But this doesn't affect. Let's give it this size. The approximate location is out. And then we look at incremental updates. Incremental update. For example, let's take this one. Let's move it around a little bit. Or we put this beam of light. Let's reattach it. For example, we changed the address code. We give it a 5.1. Then reapply it. Then we can take a look. The beam of light below has run to 5.1. Then we go to sync to MA. For MA, we can take a look. It hasn't synced yet, because what we do is a manual synchronization mechanism. It is still the first domain, then we turn on UE. Continue to find the MA connection, and then we hook it up. Then below we refresh the changes. You can see its change here. Change of lamp ID. Then the address code is changed. Then we click Sync. You can also choose here which devices need to be synchronized. Then the word here is to choose all. Then select all. Then you can also specify some that you want to synchronize. If you don't want to sync, you don't need to choose. Then we sync to MA. Well, there is no sync history here anymore. Then we turn on MA. Let's take a look at this beam of light. Its mating has become 5.1 and started. And then we light it up. Select lamp set to. It's normal to light up. And then we can look at increases. For example, let's add another type of lamp. Let's put 2. Just put 2. Put 2 retro lights at random. Then give it a spin. Then we go and mate it. It has been selected here. Just apply it directly. We will start with 6.1. Then apply. Now we have added 2 lights. In 6.1. Then we continue to sync into MA. We connect. Then refresh the changes. And as you can see here, we added 2 lamps. Then sync. Then we go to the MA. So we turn on the lights. We can see this one. The retro lights have come in. Open the mating again. Retro lights are available. At 6 then o'clock. The lamp library also came in. And then we'll light it up again. It's normal now. We can control it. Okay, that's all our video is about. See you next time.